Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip tutorial. Today I want to share with you a feature that a few years ago I didn't know it existed in Illustrator. So honestly, I don't know for how long it's been existing, but for a long period I did not know of its existence. And since I discovered it, it was a game changer. So hopefully it will be for you as well. Now, if you're anything like me, when you work on your Illustrator files, you don't organize very well your layers, or maybe you do. But in some instances, like for example with Minted, when you need to deliver the files for them, they require you to put certain things into certain layers. So you don't decide how to organize it. You need to organize it based on what they ask you to do. So let me show you what I think most of us may be doing. If we copy here our designs and let's say, we position it exactly where it needs to go, then we realize, okay, all of this has been copied into one layer, right? And we want to move things around. So if I need to select all the text, then I would go here and make sure everything is selected. I drag it and then bring it into the proper layer that I want. And probably this is like painful to do, right? So I discovered there is a much easier way. It's hidden under Object Arrange, and it's this one called Send to Current Layer. So if I have selected all of these and then I move to the layer where I want this to be, all I have to do is Object, Arrange, Send to Current Layer, and all of this has moved to the selected layer. So let's do this again. Let's say that the illustration, I want it to be on the foreground. So I would go here on foreground and go to Object, Arrange, Send to Current Layer, and now it has changed to this layer. This is amazing. I love, love, love using this. And of course, as you can guess, I created my own shortcode. So if you don't know how to create the shortcode, watch my other Tuesday tip tutorial. But basically, I have decided that my shortcut is going to be Command, Mouse, and L for layer. So let me go back and show you. If I have all my text selected and it's not in the proper layer, I would go to the layer that's called text and click Command Mouse L, and there I have it. And then I would select this, go to foreground, click my shortcode, and there I have it. So it's so, so, so fast. I love using this shortcode, and I 100% recommend it to you. If you need to move things around layers, stop dragging them in the layers panel and instead use this feature. I hope you find this a revelation like I did and you start using it as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments. I love hearing from you, and I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.